Everybody, on today's video I have this Nissan Tiida. This is a 2008 model, and we're just gonna have a look at the location of the fuses. So the owner's manual shows us that there is fuses in the engine compartment, and just follow the cautions. Obviously never use a fuse that is higher or lower than the amperage rating than the specified on the fuse box. Make sure the ignition is off, and then you can change a fuse. Now there is also some fuses. It shows you a little diagram here of if a fuse does okay, and if it's broken, the little filament inside will be broken like that, or burnt basically. And also there are some fuses. It says here passenger compartment. Now this vehicle, it's a UK vehicle, so in this case it'll be on the driver's side, and we're gonna have a look at that as well in a minute. So just gonna go to the ones under the bonnet first. Let's put that in there. So if we get the bonnet open, somewhere here. Right. Okay, so that just goes over there. There's an arrow here. So fuses, they will be here, just in front of the battery. Just press on the clip on the side, and you can open that, and that's where the fuses are, and a relay there, and you have a little diagram here of what the fuses are for. That's a horn relay. Some of the fuses may not be there, like this is a petrol car, so that, for example, the diesel fuse there, the 15 amp diesel, is you're not gonna find it there. So that's where some of the fuses are. Okay, so also there are some fuses in this box here. Just need to push the little white clips outwards, and that will release this box. Now this box is a little bit hard, you can't really pull it out that much, but you will see that there is fuses in there. It's just the wiring a little bit, making it a bit tight. Okay. There's some relays and some fuses, and then there's a little, again, another list of the fuses in there. So that is in there. Okay, push that down. So that's to the right hand side of the battery, and these are in the front. And in some vehicles there's another box here where you might find a connection, a relay or something, but okay, so those are the fuses here on the engine bay. Now we can have a look at the ones inside of the car. So the manual states go into the passenger side, but in this case it's the driver's side, and this box here, you get it out, you will find the fuses up there, and also a couple of relays, those blue relays there. And again, you have in this cover there's a list of the fuses: blower motor, aircon, stop lamp, power socket, and so on. Power socket, I think that would be the cigarette lighter socket, airbag, electric parts, and so on. And that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helps, and thank you for watching.